What's going on, guys? It's WiFi Entrepreneur Tre Mathis. So glad to see you guys landing on my page today. What a day. We've had a great day. Kicked off the day doing a little 9 to 5, of course. Also putting in place some of our emails campaigns that we had done by an email content copywriter, which is cool. We always appreciate good quality work. We've now placed that online. We placed first 2 emails, but we still have quite a few more that we need to put on as well. Let's see, a little puppy here, Layla. She's in the mix today. We're in the process of moving, so we have quite a few items missing around the house, but nonetheless, all in all, like I said before, we have put in place the email, a couple of emails. We still need to cut it on, actually cut the email marketing, not the email marketing, but yeah, the email marketing campaign on. We have gone through Drip, and we're believing that Drip is going to give us the service that they gave us last time, saying high level of service. In addition to that, what have we done? We had to go to the eye doctor today, see the eye specialist, make sure all of our retinas and such are good. The doctor says appear to be in good shape. Exceptional, outstanding, exceptional, something like that condition. So we highly appreciate that review. We have scheduled to go back in a year. So stay blessed there. What else? We did go ahead and start using the long form when it comes to our lead capture page. Last time we did a more focused talk, we talked about lead capture page. We haven't really done a conversation since. So need to start thinking about doing that here in the future. But all in all, today's been a pretty good day. It's very hot out there. It's hot out there. We'll that 9 to 5. Put in the email marketing. Extended out the long form to make it a little bit more presentable. What we're going to do is ensure that the long form is in place in a good way. We did hire someone $22 to basically QC it now at this point. We won't call it QCing because of the fact that we've already put most of it there, you know. So now we went in and put in all that we thought we would put in. So now we need some kind of additional design and maybe. So let's see where our $22 gets us. With that front, we've already paid for it. When we look at trying this needless AI, artificial intelligence Facebook ad campaign, which I believe artificial intelligence ad campaigning is what Donald Trump did. We're creating his campaigns to run for president. For whatever reason, it was shown to me, and I feel that if the name of the game is spewing out ads to people when they more than likely are looking for it, and they're your customer, and here they found me in the manner that they found me, that gives them a little bit of credibility because they did find me at the right time. So what we're going to do is we're going to see whether or not it's a mutual relationship between them and us. So more than likely, starting Monday at the latest, we'll go ahead and potentially start up an ad campaign, small ad campaign, just to see what kind of traction, you know, what kind of vibe we're getting from people. Are we capturing leads? We're not capturing leads. It's too aggressive or not. But again, we should have a review from our person who's checking out our capture page. We have 2 emails in place. We need to put a couple more in, 3 more. We need to cut on our capture page so that it's actually communicating with that capture page and sending out emails to individuals who come through the system. So we will do that, all set up for Monday. Put on the automatic AI control, see what that's like. Maybe throw $100 there. Let that play and see where we're getting. And just give it a little test, you know. So I'm confident that it's going to work out great. I'm confident that the emails are good. You know, they are compelling. They do make you want to click. And if they click and say yes, and I send them the thing, and they get started, and bam. So now it's just finding the right people who want to be on the email list, and they click that link to want to get started and we need to make it happen. So that being said, I'm going to leave it here, and we'll talk together again soon. Sorry I'm squinting, like my eyes are still dilated from that thing. It was very hard to drive home, but we made it, so that's why it's so important. Peace.